Hello everybody mga kaibigan. Today I will unbox my new camera that I just bought online 2 days ago. So ayan na mga kaibigan, nabuksan ko na. I bought this at Canon USA. I've got good deals on this. If you're here in the US, you can also get this. Eto na mga kaibigan, I ordered the Canon EOS M100. Let's check it out what's inside the box. I got the receipt in here. So I've got 16 gigabytes SanDisk memory card. This is free. Libre lang to kasama yung camera pag bumili ka. And I also got this for free. They call this the face jacket. It's the front cover of the camera. This is also free. And I got it on red. You can always choose green, yellow, pink, gold. So marami kang pagpipilian. There's so many colors to choose from, but I ordered the red one. But this is also free if you order the camera. Now we're going to see the camera. Okay, that's the book, the manual. Here it is. Got the strap. You get a battery pack, battery charger. And this is the battery. Oh, look at that. The camera. Here we go. Canon EOS M100. Ganda nito ah. There's the flip screen. And great for vlogging for beginners. Now we're getting to get the lens. There it is. This is the 15 by 45 millimeter image stabilizer. By the way, my friends, mga kaibigan, this camera right here, it comes with 2 lenses. This big lens right here is free. So I got good deals on this. So if you want to order the same camera that I have right now, you have to order before New Year's Day so you can get 2 lenses. This is free. And also free shipping and handling. Only 2 days, just arrive already. So this is the 55 by 200 millimeter. Here it is. Nice. So my friends, mga kaibigan, if you want to get this camera, same as mine, I will put the link or website on the description down below. That way you can order before New Year's Day to get the good deals. So my friends, mga kaibigan, if you order now before New Year's Day, you will also get free shipping and handling. You're only paying the camera right here. So this is the camera. This is the 15 by 45 millimeter, including the strap, the battery, and the battery charger. And this is free. The 55 by 200 millimeter. And you also get a free memory card, 16 gigabyte. And also you will get a face jacket. It's a front protector on your camera as well. That's also free. My friends, mga kaibigan, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. And feel free to share this video and comment down below. See you on my next video. Love and peace. God bless. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Canon USA, for my new camera.